Here's a quick step-by-step guide to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your phone or computer. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Settings from the menu. This takes you to your Chrome account and privacy options. In your settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome stores all your browsing data options, including history, cache, and cookies. Next, tap on Clear Browsing Data. At the top, you'll see two tabs, Basic and Advanced. The Basic tab is enough for most people. Check these boxes: browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. Now choose a time range. If you want everything removed, select All Time. Once you're ready, hit Clear Data. Chrome will begin removing old files, stored cookies, and saved versions of websites. Clearing cache helps fix slow-loading websites and outdated pages. Clearing cookies signs you out of most websites and resets preferences. This often solves login loops, website errors, and loading issues. If one website is causing issues, scroll down to Site Settings, tap All Sites, select the site, and delete its data instead of clearing everything. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cache and cookies in Google Chrome.